What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to export only audio or MP3 file from CapCut PC. It's a very simple tricks, so let's get started. First of all, here you can see it's a video and also it's have audio. So it's a video and audio. Now I want to export the only audio from this video. Go to export option and then here you can see video and audio. Hide the check mark from video and show the check mark in audio. And then here you can see MP3 wave AAC flat. You can see select anyone and then click to export. And now you can see here is audio file. It's a video and it's a audio. That's it. It's a very simple tricks, I think. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.